Sit down, please.
Wanna sit down?
I'm good.
Good.
One tea? They're making tea for us.
Yeah, this is what we do in Morocco too.
Yeah.
You can brush your teeth.
This tea is delicious.
Take some pomegranate tea with us. See if they have any. This little trick.
You like
You
it?
taste it, you buy. You taste, you buy. There you go. That's what happens. Rule of thumb of business.
Business 101.
Business 101 for real.
Yes.
Taste, you buy.
The best business practices we learn in Turkey.
Huh?
Sütlü. Ekmek. Я учу турецкий язык и хотела записать вам быстренько урок, потому что так как я учу турецкий язык, я понимаю, насколько сложно начинать учить новый язык, так же как и английский. И тут я задумалась, что на самом деле легче всего учить фразами, не буквы, не алфавит сначала, не грамматику, а просто фразы. И мне это намного легче, потому что если так подумать, так учатся дети. То есть дети сначала выучивают какие-то фразы, они повторяют за нами, а потом за взрослыми, а потом уже постепенно начинают учить сам язык. И мне кажется, начинать заново так легче всего. Поэтому я вам советую, когда вы учите английский, начинать с фраз. И сейчас мы вас научим нескольким фразам на английском языке. Okay. All right. So since we're sitting in a restaurant, let's teach them restaurant phrases.
Sure.
Okay. So one of them could be how would you ask for water? Let's teach them how to ask for water in a restaurant.
Use like direct way or
Okay.
something like very casual. So you say, "Can I have a cup of water, please?"
Okay, can I have a cup of water, please? That's one of them.
That's one of them.
You could also say, may I have some water?
May I have some water?
Yes, and there's
Yeah.
water.
There's water just showed up.
Thank you. Teşekkür.
Cheers. Thank you. Cheers.
Okay, may I have some water? What else? Could you bring me some water?
Water, please.
Or just water, please? Yes, that's the easiest way.
Like when you say water, please, is like when the waiter or the waitress asks you, "What would you like to drink?" You can say directly, "Water, please," or
you could make it longer and more formal and say,
yeah.
could I have some water?
"Could I have some water?"
Or could you bring me some water?
Yes.
That's very polite way.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay, so that's the first one. May I have some water, please?
What did we do? 88. Yeah, it was a good deal. 785.
Yeah. So he's looking at the. Where is it? Oh, right there. Currency exchange.
Wow, man.
Okay, so the second thing that you need to be able to ask at a restaurant is your bill or your check. Ваш check.
Other
So,
thing, yeah.
So how would you say that? How would you ask your waiter for a check?
Do you use like either direct way or formal way or polite way, or all of
So-
them are used?
Yes.
And one of them is like you can wave to the waiter or the waitress. She comes in. Can we have the bill, please? Or can
Yes.
I have the bill, please?
Yes. So one mistake a lot of foreigners make, I think, because I've heard them say this, is they ask for a receipt. They say, "Can I have a receipt?" We don't say that in America.
No.
I don't know. Maybe in United Kingdom, I don't know. But in America, we don't say receipt. Receipt is something when you buy something, not
As
for
a
food.
proof.
Yeah.
They
As a
can
proof of
give you a
purchase.
receipt.
Right.
Which is a proof of purchase.
Yeah, it's like itemized, so like it lists all the things. But when
Yeah.
you ask for a check, you just say a check or a bill.
Yeah.
То есть, когда вы просите чек, многие люди, иностранцы в Америке, говорят receipt. Receipt – это… О, вот мой суп. Teşekkür ederim.
There we go. Is your soup?
Wow. So, when we ask, когда мы просим чек, мы просим bill or check. We say it bill or check. So,
Easier. There we go.
yes. So, how would you ask for it? May I have a bill?
Yeah, the bill,
May I have my
please.
bill? The bill, please. Could you bring me the check?
Can you bring me a bill?
Can we pay?
Can we pay, please? I'm ready to pay.
I'm ready to check out.
I'm ready to check out.
Yep. All right.
So many phrases, so many ways.
Yeah, so many ways to say it, just
say
depending
it.
on the
Pick one or
situation and
two.
the environment.
Yeah, pick one or two and make it your own.
Yep.
It's easier to move on and learn other things.
Perfect. Thank you.
To Turkey,
Take off your mask, please. Thank you. Yeah, because we can hear you better.
Yeah?
There you go. Yeah.
I'm gonna be shy.
Don't be shy.
So pretty much you have to get the best exchange rate for your
Okay.
dollars.
Yes.
So there is so many of them. Some of them they offer you like at the airport. They offered us 7
7-0 something.
Yeah, 7.04. And here
Okay.
it's 7.88. So when you,
So you get a better deal
Yeah.
by exchanging your money.
of course, it's like
In
$100
the city.
for $1,000. If you exchange $1,000
Yes.
with the wrong rate, it's like almost $100 saved.
Okay.
700 lira.
Yep.
So, hi. Trash. That's nice. It's so nice.
Trash in front of the restaurant.
Go into the neighborhood to collect some trash.
This place looks yummy. Hopefully it's delicious. All right, so phrase number 3. We finished our soup and we want to ask the waiter to take our plates away. So how would you ask to do that? Если мы хотим попросить, чтобы официант забрал тарелки, как нужно правильно просить?
There's a couple of phrases too, but one of them is, can we clear the table? Or
Okay.
can you clear the table?
Yep, clear the table.
And
So a lot of people make a mistake of saying, can you take this away or clean the table, which you can say that, there's nothing wrong with it, and if you say it, you will be understood, but it's not proper. Like a proper spoken American English way is, could you clear the table? Okay, what else could you say? Well, you could technically say, right, take these plates, or could you, but always just, I guess, remembering, yeah, would you, could you,
it's a
can
polite
you,
way of
Yes.
asking
Yes.
somebody
Yes.
to do something for you.
and saying please, like that's the proper way, because I don't know if that's necessarily how foreigners say it in America. So it's important to remember to say could you, would you, can you please. Those phrases are a lot more polite and just friendlier in general.
Yeah.
So we're gonna ask our waiter, could you please clear the table? Okay guys, this is our food. We love Turkish food. It's delicious. No tea. So yummy. Okay, so the next phrase is not actually a phrase that you say. It's a phrase that somebody may ask you, but it's good to know because if you know what they're saying, then you could answer them properly. So one of the things that in America a lot of waiters ask is when they bring the food, they leave you and then they check back in with you in a couple minutes and they ask, how's the food or how's it tasting? How's everything tasting? Which means, что означает, как все на вкус. Ну, то есть, все ли вам нравится, все ли хорошо, может быть, вам нужен какой-то там я не знаю, соус или соль или еще что-то. И они из-за этого приходят и спрашивают, how is everything tasting? How is everything? Are you guys doing okay? Those are the things they ask you usually when they come back. What else do they ask? Do you need anything? Can I bring you anything?
Would you like anything?
Yeah, would you like anything else? Those are the phrases. That is the normal, proper American way of a waiter coming back about 2 minutes after they bring your food and they check in with you to make sure you are good and the food is tasting good for you. Окей, ребят, пока мой муж кушает, я хотела бы записать 4-ю фразу, phrase number 4. Это уже после обеда или после ужина, после того, как вы поели. Здесь как бы обычно просишь или хочешь поесть десерт. И как можно попросить посмотреть на десертное меню? So the way we say it in English is, could I take a look at your dessert menu? Or do you have your dessert menu? No, thank you. Do you have a dessert menu, or could you bring me, what kind of desserts do you have? So those are a couple ways of asking for a dessert menu. Of course, if you still have room in your tummy to add some more food to it. So again, it's could I please take a look at your dessert menu? Could you bring me your dessert menu? Do you have any desserts, or what kind of desserts do you have?